Emma, a 28-year-old graphic designer, vividly recalls the morning everything changed. As she looked in the mirror to brush her teeth, her reflection morphed inexplicably. Her eyes sunk deep, her smile twisted grotesquely, akin to a nightmarish figure from a horror movie. This wasn't a fleeting illusion, it was the onset of a life-altering condition known as prosopometamorphopsia. For Emma and many like her, daily interactions became a trial. Seeing distorted, often frightening faces of friends and loved ones not only isolated her socially, but plunged her into a deep, confusing fear. It wasn't the world around her that had changed, but her perception of it, turning familiar faces into eerie strangers. Emma's condition, which initially led her to withdraw from social gatherings, eventually guided her to seek medical help. The diagnosis of prosopometamorphopsia brought more questions than answers initially, but it was a start, a name to her unspoken fears. Understanding that she wasn't alone provided a slight yet significant comfort. Prosopometamorphopsia is a rare neurological disorder characterized by the distortion of faces. Individuals affected by this condition perceive faces as being misshapen, twisted, or demonic. Unlike hallucinations, these perceptions occur while looking at real human faces, making everyday interactions unsettling and often terrifying. The rarity of this condition makes it not only a medical curiosity, but also a significant challenge for those who experience it. The triggers and severity can vary widely among patients, with some experiencing mild alterations and others seeing grotesque transformations. This variability adds to the complexity of diagnosis and understanding of the disorder. The impacts of prosopometamorphopsia extend beyond visual distortions. They intrude into the personal and social lives of sufferers, affecting their ability to engage in basic social interactions and maintain relationships. The constant anxiety and stress of encountering distorted faces can lead to severe psychological repercussions, including depression and social anxiety. At its core, prosopometamorphopsia stems from abnormalities or damage in the brain's areas responsible for facial recognition, primarily the fusiform gyrus. This region, located in the temporal lobe, plays a crucial role in perceiving and identifying faces. Disruptions here can distort what is seen, transforming familiar features into bizarre and often frightening visages. The condition can be triggered by various factors, including stroke, brain injuries, or neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. In some cases, it might also be linked to migraines or epilepsy, showcasing the complexity and interconnectivity of brain functions related to vision and perception. Research into the brain's visual processing pathways offers insights into why these distortions occur. It's not just about a single region, but a network of areas working in tandem to decode facial features. When this network malfunctions, the result is a profound distortion in the face perception, altering not just how people look, but how they are perceived emotionally by the affected individual. Treatment options for prosopometamorphopsia are currently limited but evolving. The approach largely depends on the underlying cause. If linked to a treatable neurological condition, managing that primary issue can alleviate symptoms. For others, therapies might involve medications to control associated conditions like epilepsy or migraines, which could reduce occurrences of facial distortions. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, and other psychological therapies have shown promise in helping patients cope with the emotional and psychological impacts of the disorder. By addressing the anxiety and distress caused by distorted face perceptions, therapy can improve quality of life, even if the visual symptoms persist. Furthermore, ongoing research is exploring more about how the brain processes faces and why disruptions occur. This research not only aims to develop better treatment strategies, but also to deepen our understanding of the human brain and its intricate functions. Innovations in neuroimaging and brain simulation present potential new pathways for intervention and recovery. Living with prosopometamorphopsia is undeniably challenging. However, the growing interest in this rare disorder brings hope. As researchers unravel more about the neurological foundations and potential treatments, the future looks promising for those affected. Increased awareness can lead to earlier diagnosis, better support systems, and more effective treatments. The journey of individuals like Emma underscores the resilience of the human spirit. With ongoing support from the medical community and advances in neuroscience, there is hope that those affected by prosopometamorphopsia can lead more normal, less fearful lives. The face of fear, though daunting, is not insurmountable. Emma's ordeal with seeing demonic faces is a stark reminder of the complexities of human perception, but it also highlights the power of understanding and scientific exploration in overcoming the mysteries of the mind.